Neural networks are powerful computational models inspired by the human brain. They're designed to recognize patterns and make decisions, learning from data to solve complex problems. At its core, a neural network is built from simple units called neurons, or perceptrons. Each neuron receives inputs, multiplies them by weights, adds a bias, and then applies an activation function to produce an output. These neurons are organized into layers. An input layer receives raw data, hidden layers perform computations, and an output layer provides the final result. Neurons in one layer connect to those in the next, forming a complex web. Information flows forward through this network, from the input layer, through the hidden layers, and finally to the output. By adjusting weights and biases, the network learns to map inputs to desired outputs.